Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am standing outside of my garage door waiting for the shipment of Via Trading. I've got 5 pallets and 2 boxes that are supposed to show up. I'm super excited. I'm going to show you how they offload it all and also what all I got in the pallets. All right, so everything is offloaded, and I wanted to tell you what all I got in my pallets, and that way you can look forward to seeing these being unboxed on my channel in the very near future. So this is a health and beauty pallet. It was $550. It's filled to the brim, and generally when I get these, they have around 300 items in it. And then I've got these back here. This is a health and beauty pallet, and this is a health and beauty pallet. And then if you kind of come close, I think you can see, I'm looking for one of my sold signs right here on this corner. When you actually order from your account manager, they put one of these stickers on it. So this says sold, and then my name, Heather Hooks. So that's an idea of kind of how they handle it. This was a back and forth for about a week or so trying to get the exact products that I wanted, and I had to kind of wait for them to get some shipments in, but it was well worth the wait, I'm sure. This is a case of Macy's, I believe, clothing. So I'm really excited to see what these are, kind of like shelf pulls, uninspected returns. This is a pallet of assorted shoes that I believe are from Target. And then on top of this box over here, let me go over here. Right here is, I believe, a Maybelline makeup case. And what they do is they throw it on top of the pallet so that I don't have to pay an extra shipment for my cases and pallets. That's considered part of the pallet load. And then this is another Target, this pallet below here is another Target shoe lot. So I'm super excited about unboxing these. Look for them in future videos, but that gives you an idea of how they arrive, show up, and offload everything. When the transportation company called me, they wanted to get a tractor trailer down my road. It's actually too narrow, so I said, I need a truck with a lift gate. Always tell them you need a lift gate unless you've got a forklift to offload off of a high truck. But a lift gate, they bring it right down to the ground and drop it in here with a pallet jack. So hopefully it's been helpful to see how I got my Via Trading 5 pallet skid load with 2 extra cases piled on top for cheaper shipping. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from HookedOnPickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.